Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. You gonna say something?
Sam Sparks,
Huh?
in the 8 minutes since we saved the world,
You're gonna be on TV.
You'll
Be on YouTube. You gonna say something?
Work?
Huh?
Work?
Oh,
I did get story.
We could build a lab.
These cool weather forecasting devices.
Or we can invent fantastic machines
One
like
more.
the Prince Corner.
Yeah. But not that one.
No, not ever. Never, ever, ever.
You say something else?
Oh,
Huh?
how about Sparkswood?
Ooh, Sparkswood. Sparkswood is going to need some security.
You wanna say something else?
And I can be your dad. There are many ways in which I can help. Oh, can't forget you, lab partner.
Where did you get the brown crayon?
This could be our future.
Wanna say something else? You watching Charlie with the Madame Meatballs? You watching that? A wolf. Okay. You gonna say anything else? Say your story, baby. Anything else?
Namaste.
Are you done?
What's that?
Oh wow, serious face. Hi. Hi.
Your lab is supposed to be even cooler in person. Thank you.
Hi, Tristan.
Freeze up my arms to do this. Hand, what did you do? There's nothing wrong with it.
Would you go say something else? Anything else? You go say anything else? Huh?
To assist in the cleanup
Yeah?
and containment of the leftovers all over the world.
Oh, you're so